so I'm gonna grab my Profusion Spectrum palette. It's this really pretty colorful palette. I'm gonna take the shade Totally, which is this pretty pink color, and I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow brush and pack this color all over the lid. So while I'm packing the pink shade all over my lid, I am gonna also bring it up into the crease just to create like a smoky eye. So the next shade I took, you guys, is Ember, which is this one right here, and I'm going to apply this in the crease and just to help blend out the edges of that pink shade. So for lashes, you guys, these lashes are from iEnvy. I'm gonna just put it down in the description box. I got it from the beauty supply store. So yeah, they're very cute and very, very affordable. So for skin, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier oil-free foundation primer. I'm just going to squeeze it on my face and rub it in. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation in the shade Toffee Caramel. I really like this foundation. This has been my go-to foundation right now. So with stick foundations, I always blend it out with a brush. So this brush is from Makeup Addiction. It's like a large foundation brush. I mean, that's what I use it for. So I'm just gonna blend all this foundation out using this brush. For concealer, my favorite part, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel. I really like this concealer, you guys. I'm gonna go buy a lighter shade, maybe one shade lighter, just to like really highlight underneath my eyes. So to blend everything out, I'm using this Sonia Kashuk beauty blender that I've been using. I really like this sponge. You can find it at Target. So next, I'm going to take my Beauty Bakerie banana setting powder to set everything in place. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer in the shade Coco Cutie. I really love the shade of this bronzer, which is why I keep using this one. Next, I'm going to quickly set my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. So for highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Molten Peach highlighter, which is my go-to highlighter right now. It's a very beautiful color, and these highlighters are very pigmented. So back into the Spectrum palette, I'm going to take the shade Totally, which was that pink shade, and I'm going to run this color on my lower lash line. So I wanted to darken the under eye area a little bit more, so I added this dark brown color above the pink shade on my lower lash line just to darken it up, and it looks really, really good that way. So I'm going to add my BH Cosmetics mascara to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to line my lips using the Huda Beauty Spice Girl lip liner. This is my go-to lip liner. And on top, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Catsuit lip gloss. I forgot the name. I'll leave it down in the description box. And that is the completed makeup look. Yes, honey. So I'm going to go ahead and do my hair now. So the hair I'm going to be wearing in this video is from ISEE Hair. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a wig cap, as you guys can see, and some hair care tips, like just instructions on how to keep up with the hair. So I did bleach the knots on this wig, but that is really all I had to do. Everything else was like good to go. I didn't pluck it or anything. It came pre-plucked very well. So this is what the wig looks like now once the knots are bleached. It looks so good. I went ahead and already like parted down the middle, and now I'm just going to blow dry the hair. So now the hair is all dried, as you can see, and it feels so good and it's so soft. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. So all I did was bleach the knots, blow dried it, and I just flat ironed it, and I added some mousse on top so everything can lay nice and flat. Okay, so you guys, I didn't pluck anything. This is how it came. It came pre-plucked very nicely, and it is a 3x4 lace front, so the parting is only 4 inches, but it still looks bomb. So you guys, I already glued the wig down using my spritz. I have a ton of videos on how I apply my wig. So now I'm going to use Eco Style Argan Oil Gel to lay my edges. So now I'm going to take my concealer and run that down the parting to make it, you know, stand out more. It looks much better and more natural when you do this step. So now I'm going to take some hair that I just want to straighten out more, and I'm just go ahead and flat iron that. And we are going to be done. I did add a little mousse on top just to lay down those flyaways on top. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. If you guys are interested in ISEE Hair, so I will leave all the information down in the description box on this hair if you guys want to check it out. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video.